Welcome to the Reset Meditation. It's time to let go of negative thoughts and programming and reset your mind to attract abundance. Find a quiet place to sit or lie down and let's begin. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Another deep breath in and exhale. Allow your body to let go and quiet your mind as you breathe in and exhale. Allow your body to let go and quiet your mind as you breathe in and exhale. You control your thoughts. You control your reality. I want you to take a moment and acknowledge that you are worthy of everything that you want in your life. For all the times you've acted in fear, for all the negative programming you've convinced yourself is true, for all of the negative thoughts that enter your mind each day, forgive yourself and let it go. You have the power to change, to grow, to become the version of yourself that you need to be to attract every single thing that you want. Honor your path. Honor every step you've taken towards reaching your goals. Take a deep breath in and exhale. I want you to imagine a door in front of you. As you begin to approach this door, notice the bright beams of light shining out from underneath and from the sides. Notice the warmth of the handle as you begin to turn the handle and open the door. As you stand in this open doorway, all you see is infinite potential. What does it look like? How does it feel? Everything standing in your way, all of the negative beliefs, the negative self-talk, the doubts, the fear, it's all behind you. Close that door and take a step forward. You notice a tunnel lit up with bright white beams of light. You are at the beginning. This is a clean slate. At the end of this tunnel is everything you intend to create and bring into your reality. It's time to make the journey to be the version of yourself that has everything you desire. Take your first step and repeat in your mind, I forgive myself. I forgive myself. I forgive myself. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a few more steps and repeat in your mind, I am worthy of my dreams. I am worthy of my dreams. I am worthy of my dreams. Take a deep breath in and exhale. A few more steps and repeat, I let go of my past and create my future. I let go of my past and create my future. I let go of my past and create my future. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a few more steps. I think and act from a place of infinite potential. I think and act from a place of infinite potential. I think and act from a place of infinite potential. Breathe in and exhale. Now take a few more steps. I have the power to create anything I want. I have the power to create anything I want. I have the power to create anything I want. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Notice that you are over halfway through this tunnel. Take a few more steps. Now repeat, I trust my feelings and intuition. I trust my feelings and intuition. I trust my feelings and intuition. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a few more steps. I have the power to create anything I want. I have the power to create anything I want. I have the power to create anything I want. Breathe in and exhale. Take these last few steps. I am ready and excited for what is to come. I am ready and excited for what is to come. I am ready and excited for what's to come. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Everything is happening for me, and I am so grateful. Everything is happening for me, and I am so grateful. Everything is happening for me, and I am so grateful. Take a deep breath in and exhale. You have now approached the end of the tunnel. Feel the transformation of letting go of what no longer serves you. All of the things that no longer serve you are far back behind that door. You have transformed and changed into fully embodying all of your potential. Feel the shift of knowing that anything is possible. This is where miracles happen. When you expect miracles and work from possibility, you can have, be, or do anything that you want. There is nothing to be afraid of when you know that the universe will provide. You are fully supported in the pursuit of your dreams. Keep going. Everything is all happening for you. Trust the timing and know that you are supported. Slowly start to come back to this present moment. Begin wiggling your fingers and toes and gently waking your body back up. Maintain that feeling of knowing that anything is possible as you go about your day or night. Come back to this meditation whenever you need to reset and recharge. You are capable of miracles.